Next thing, we have some beautiful chestnut mushrooms I'm going to just slice up for you. These are a lovely little topping, very simple to do, and you do them as your burger's resting, so real easy. So very simple for these. Just slice them like this, nice and thin. What we're going to do with these is we're going to, when the burgers are resting, we're going to fry them up in the burger juices. So they're going to be really flavorful. Still got some nice meat juices in the pan. We're going to add some more olive oil, and then we're going in with our beautiful mushrooms. Get some nice color on those. A little bit more olive oil. Mushrooms will soak up everything in the pan very quickly. So, you know, we got that nice olive fed fat flavor on there. Puts it beautifully like that. Nice bit of color. There we go. Mushrooms done.